here is how we're gonna check the previous location on the Android phone. So let me get started and explain how it could work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Very likely you have to use the Google Maps, or you are likely using the Google Maps for your navigation and services, and it probably has the location enabled. So you can get inside of the Google Maps and you can actually tap on your profile right here. So you can click on your profile picture and you should be able to see your timeline right there. So it's going to show you a timeline it's going to literally tell you that it goes back in a time. So it depends on your phone and kind of like your settings. You can see you might have the timeline disabled as this feature, but the point is that you can see a map of your visits and routes. You can look back at the trips you've taken and you can kind of like reflect about it. So it's nice to see it and just kind of like go back in time. So you can see that it might be disabled as a feature, depends on your phone. So you can go to the settings and like re-enable it in here. So as you can see, the timeline is literally turned off for me. But the point is that if you have it enabled and if you didn't do anything to it, it's likely going to be turned on and you will have the ability to go back in time and see where you specifically went to. Obviously, if you are using some different map apps or different services, they might provide similar features, but this Google Maps one is actually very commonly used by the most people I know personally, so I believe that it's going to be useful for the majority of my viewers as well. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I hope that I was able to show you something interesting. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you later.